What's going on, guys? We're back here at the Asian market. It's 10 minutes away from actually seeing any type of movement on the market as everything's closed. We had a very bizarre New York session. I did take some trades and everything. I want to give you a little bit of a wrap up or kind of like a little update before we go into the Asian session here. So we're going to pretty much get right into it, right? Okay, we're going to see if we're going to be taking any buys or sells on this market right now. I want to give you a little breakdown. If you see my funded accounts here, we're at 3 right now. So far, I'm 3 for 3. One of the accounts right now, 53,151. I've technically passed my evaluation, so now this account is eligible for payouts now. I was really aggressive in terms of how I was trading on this account. You know, very aggressive. Like, you don't get to wait and see if you get the 1-to-1 risk ratios on these. I'm really not that patient to see if the trades plays out. I like to stack in very quickly and find out very quickly if it goes in my favor or not. I know it's not a lot of room to play with, but we're playing on the 1-minute chart or 30-second chart here. And it got me to pass this point. Now, we're going to see how long this takes. You know, a lot of these, you know, gurus today or the financial tips or trading, the trading tips today is stick to a trading edge. Maybe a 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk ratio. Some people like to do 1-to-4 and see how it plays out. But because of how restricting the funded trading account prop firms in terms of how they evaluate your payouts and everything, I don't have patience. I want to get paid out every 8 days. So if I decide to trade the way I trade and let's just say I get 2 payouts before I crash and burn the account, well, at least I get paid out and I'm still up. Right? I'm not risking $50,000 of my own capital. We're trying to grow this, extract money out of the account, and see how far it takes you until your trading edge goes out of whack. Like, if you go completely out of whack on your risk management, whatever, if you manage to get at least 1 payout, you're already up on the account, right? So that's just the trading opportunity that I see here. And it's a great risk to reward ratio here when it comes to risking $40. Now I got to pay a fee to see if I want to do this as a one-time or a lifetime fee or a monthly fee to keep the account going. But for today's stream and today's session, I'm going to try and get these last 2 accounts completely passed. That's either going to be 1 or 2 trades. Don't know yet. We're going to see if the NASDAQ decides to go to the left or to the right. But yeah, that's pretty much the current update. So we're going to see again, guys. Now, going on this stream, a guy that I like to praise and I like to watch is Stock Tiger. You can check him on his YouTube. He streams a lot and everything. Fun guy to listen to. Very down to earth. I don't know him personally, but I do like watching his stuff. And throughout this whole entire stream, we're going to be tuning in to see if I like his trading ideas or not. I'm either going to trade with him or against him, depending on how he assesses the market and everything. Because, you know, you need a lot of eyes on the market here. And until we start growing these streams and getting more people viewing all that stuff, I can't really comment a lot as to other people's trading ideas because I like to feed on other people's trading ideas. So what I like to do is just turn on a lot of channels, see what everyone's take is in terms of how they trade the market, and see if I'm willing to trade with them or against them. So that's where a lot of my trading ideas come from as well. So for now, we're going to go right into the trading view charts here. I know it's not a great capture of it because of the setup of my stream, but this is the best I got right now. So what we're looking right now is the NASDAQ. For the previous day, it did close down. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, you guys can see it. But it did close down 2%. That's a 560-point drop. It's a far cry as to where it can possibly drop. That's what's scaring me right now because I would love to take some buys. If you see on the daily chart here, right, you can see that there's a lot of room where it can go. Like if I'm marking this chart up right now, you got this level here, and then you have this most recent level right here. Maybe some people might be more aggressive of like potentially looking at support here because it touches here. But again, there is so much room, and the way that I'm trading, for every single point that goes down or up and everything, that's around anywhere between $5 to $10. So things can go bad very quickly for me. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how this plays out. Let's see here. Gold. Another one is I'm looking at gold. Gold has been on a tear, if you guys can see this, okay? Gold, oh man, on the daily, it's just making new all-time highs. And the question I have for everybody is, how do you trade this? Are you assuming that every single pullback is a buying opportunity? Now, you can't short gold for long. Like, you got to go into gold very quickly, in and out. Grab your money, grab whatever money you can on the shorts. For the people that can hold gold shorts for like 200, 300, 400 pips and everything, good for you. But I don't want to be caught up on that side of the trade, because if you look at the entire run, let's see here, 15 minute, let's go with the 1 hour. Literally, you can literally buy anywhere. If you're scaled in correctly, you can buy anywhere and just hold. If you bought in the beginning of this year, right? Let's see here, January 1st, right here. No, that's let's see here. Right here. So this somewhere here. Oh, there we go. So this candle right here. You buy right here, even when it gapped up. 4,361. Okay. You held it back, yes. It was testing the lows. You held it. Kept going. To today's high? That's like what? 4,300 pips? A 0.05 lot? That's 50 cents on the dollar. Or 50 cents on the pip. 4,300. That's $2,150, guys. And the way I like to, equate the lot sizes, 0.01 is essentially you buying 1 unit of the instrument you're buying, which is 1 ounce of gold. So if you're buying a 0.05, that's 5 ounces of gold. So if gold goes against you by $100, well, you're going to lose $100 times 5 ounces of gold, right? So that's how I like to see my accounts. And I'm growing right now I'm waiting for my firm, like the broker to activate the US dollar MT5 broker account. We're starting with a balance there of around 10 G's. But in the meantime, I'm trading with my Canadian dollar one just so that I can still keep sharp on my MT5 broker. And we started at 3,000 there, so it's at like 3,800. But I haven't been paying attention to it because of I want to show you guys, because of my Apex accounts here, right? 3 $50,000 accounts. They all started at 50K. It was really aggressive. One of them now is at 53,000. The other one's 52. The other one's 52. So I'm waiting for these last two, which I have on deck here. Yeah, I have these two accounts linked. So whenever time I'm placing a trade on each side, whether it be gold, better change that, gold or NASDAQ, both accounts are going to copy each other. Or this account's going to copy this account, and then we're going to see if we can actually pass 2 more accounts. Now, if I pass these 2 accounts, okay, let me let's do a little bit of a break here, guys. So, what we're going to be doing, what I'm going to try and do is we're going to close out these 3 accounts, right? Get them passed. I'm still waiting on my actual discount code from Apex here. Not too sure what exactly they're looking for, because I'm still starting out to advertise this and promote myself and everything. But I'm trying to build a community here where we're just going to be hanging out, trading. Like, that's why I like Stock Tiger. His stream is just like a great hangout spot. He just talks about trading and all that stuff. Love his energy. So I'm trying to mimic the same thing, but with a different type of audience on my side, because he's a bit older than me. So anyways, yeah, once I get these accounts set up, pass the evaluation, hopefully by Friday, because right now it's the 20th of January. Hopefully by Friday, and 3 days from now, I'm going to set up another 5, so that by the Sunday open, I'm going to be able to get ready to start trading 5 accounts simultaneously to hopefully pass the evaluation. If it drags into the February NFP, then I'll load up another 5 and trade 10 accounts on NFP news, because I want to get rid of the whole news. Oh wait, the market's moving. What are we seeing here, guys? You know what? I want to see what Stock Tiger is saying here.
Market open. The month high was 47.72. We have obviously the opening is 47.69. Previous day closed at 47.65. Okay. Wow. What if I try to short this gold? Nah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to mess with the gold right now. I'll try to short this market, guys. What are you guys' plans? Everybody, JLF. What is going on, brother? Welcome back. Justin right in the house as well, everybody. Great to see you guys back again.
I'm going to be taking some NASDAQ like buys here.
Order filled.
Got to average in. 3 positions. Can I get actually $50 from this? Yeah, gold is definitely like taking a dump here. But we need NASDAQ to go. We gotta pump it. Oh my goodness, hold on. It's a battle, it's a battle. We don't know if it's going to be the bulls or the bears, but I'm expecting the Asian market here. We're going to take the NASDAQ up. I don't think they're going to continue selling this. Oh, am I going to get $50 from here? Am I going to flatten these accounts? You know what? Let's put it here. I took 3 positions here, so let's just see if it actually hits my take profit here. Now, that's the thing about these, like, you know, prop trading firms and everything. If you have a big position, and let's just say that you're up $1,000 and everything, and if it retraces back to you and you're only up $500, that $500 like loss you had there would be working against you. Oh, I'm going to flatten the account there.
Order filled.
Okay, so I flattened the account there. I managed to, I don't know how to check how much I made here, but based on this, I'm 370. Yeah, I'm about $370 away from actually passing the next 2 accounts. So I don't know if I'm going to be getting this right now. Oh my God. All I can do is wait. All I can do is wait, guys. Oh my God. I should have held. Oh my goodness. What are you saying, Stock Tiger? What are you saying, Stock Tiger?
Do we have any news coming out?
That's a good call. Let's check out the financial juice here. Oh, why do I have to keep on doing this
21st. 21st. On the 21st, do we have anything else? Okay, so 21st, that's tomorrow. So early in the morning, guys, we're gonna have Trump, Davos greeting and speaks in Davos as well at 6:30 in the morning. So that will be right before the market opens, right? So just keep an eye on that. If you guys are swing trading overnight, you want to be a little bit cautious and careful about that. And we've got US pending home sales coming up as well at 8 o'clock in the.
Oh wow, I can't believe I caught those NASDAQ buys, but I didn't really catch much of it, man. Oh man, that was like 10 points. Woo. Bit of a pullback here on the NASDAQ. So that's the intraday high right there. Is there still enough steam here? Because gold is definitely going to try and test out the new highs. Yo, is Stock Tiger actually in a short position here? Never know what was left in the future. If only someone could have gotten there sooner. They had thoughts and feelings, a few dreams. No, the NASDAQ looks like it's going to continue pulling. But a bad day became a bad month, and then a bad year without anyone. No one noticed all the little changes. Yeah, I can't be touching like I'm tempted to scale in some more NASDAQ buys. Okay, you know what? Let's try it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Retest that intraday high, NASDAQ. Because on the 15-minute here, or 1 hour, it's like completely oversold. Not too sure it's gonna hold that. It's gonna break that. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, 4 contracts. Let's average in, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just experienced a little bit of lag. Okay, gold's coming down. All right, NASDAQ, you gonna translate? You gonna translate into more buys here? Or am I just gonna break even here, guys? Ooh, okay.
Order filled.
7 contracts. Come on, come on, come on. I just need a little bit of a push. Just test that intraday there.
Order filled. Order filled.
If it comes down here, 25,144, like, we're gonna be in trouble. Okay, 9 contracts. Come on, guys. Whoever's actually trading futures and all that stuff, let's pump it. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. Please, let's pump it. Oh, 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 come on. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. So the blue line is technically where my break even is right now. But I'm not too sure if I'm going to get like, maybe, I might be tempted to close out at like 10 points. Yeah, but Stock Tiger might be actually taking sells against me here. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Come on, come on, come on, NASDAQ.
Order filled.
It's just a pullback. Come on. Keep pushing.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're averaging down. Come on, come on, come on. We're averaging down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. Keep going. I need 300 bucks. Can I get 300 from here? Test that intraday. Test that intraday. Come on. Test the intraday. Push 5 minutes. I need the 5 minutes to push. Needs to go bullish here. No, I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Yeah, we flattened it. So now we're at around $270 that I need to, in order to pass the evaluation for the next 2 final accounts. Like I'm feeling pretty confident that I'm gonna be able to get this for this Asian session. I just need like a severe, you know, what I'm gonna be looking for is a severe move in one direction. So just to catch a little bit of a bounce, right? Now let's just see what our buddy Stock Tiger is saying here.
We talked about how important it is to kind of hold this 300 area, and we pierced through that down, but we also got a little bit of a bounce in this market, guys. So of course I want to kind of use this, but if we can hold this level, guys, I mean, this looks like it's kind of holding on a tick chart standpoint, but if we can hold that, guys, I think we break down 100. Sorry, not 100. What I'm talking about. We break underneath 25,000 today. If we can hold this, I think we break it down, guys. I think that's what I kind of see, right?
Yeah, around $270 away from actually closing out these accounts. But I'm tempted to look at like gold sells here. Let me just see what's gold doing at here, huh? 15-minute is going bearish. 5-minute is going bearish. It's gonna test that new low it made today. Okay, let's take some sells.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Let me just get some. So if I'm visualizing this is like a 0.2 lot on gold here, right? I'm gonna try and see if it can sweep below here and get to potentially get some like stops here. with the 0.2, maybe looking for like 20 bucks across the accounts. Yeah, I think it's going to keep pushing. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to put a pending here. Because the way these charts move, it moves and it's like, oh. Yeah, so close. Close to that $20. Oh.
Order filled.
Got it. Okay, so what am I going to be doing here? What am I going to be doing here, huh? We got the gold sells. We're at still 200 and what is that? 230. This is why I hate this platform. I can't tell how I did for today. Can I actually see this? Hold on. Let me break this account. How do I see how I did today? P&L history, but I want to know what the P&L for today, guys. Losing trades, yeah. What the? Come on now. Okay, whatever. Oh, gold is moving. What are you doing, Stock Tiger? Huh? What do you got going?
And did they actually gain? And what their plans are moving forward. So I think that's we got some questions to be asked, but I don't know. I'm not in there. I'm obviously trading live right now, so I can't see. I don't know if
what's going on, Crypto Knight? Not too sure if you're trading with a funded trading account here, but I'm trying to get these last two accounts past evaluation already, man. Oh man, the NASDAQ. Ooh, can't believe I managed to get out of there. Yeah, gold's pulling back now, which means NASDAQ should be. Uh-oh. What? Gold pulling up, NASDAQ. What are we going? I just need one more good trade, and then I can close out these two accounts and then start trading back on my MT5 account, man. And then I gotta load up the whatchamacallit? I gotta load up 5 more Apex accounts coming. I wish I had this promo code from Apex. If you're watching this, whoever's dealing with the whole approval process of giving future marketers of your platform, I would gladly share your promo code. I got buddies right now that want to jump in on this opportunity, but they can't because they're waiting for my promo code. So please send me. Crypto Night. I know. Right now I'm watching Stock Tiger, another streamer and everything. He pulls a lot of trades during his sessions. Like, this guy puts in at least 200 trades in a day. Like, this guy's a maniac. But I like to jump in on some of his trades because he has a different way of looking at scalping positions. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I usually bet against him. So I like to have all these streamers up just to see what they're doing. And I don't doubt that someone's going to be inversing trading, making trades on my account. But again, these funded trading accounts, I cannot stress this enough. If you're going into 2026, you make $50,000 a year, the bills are just piling up, the income is not growing, and you just need to find a way to make a little bit of extra money. The side hustle culture is pretty much dead. Like, you cannot get into the Amazon pallet flipping. I've done that. You can't hustle things on Facebook Marketplace anymore. I've done that. The real estate game is starting to get really tougher based on the new laws that are coming out and everything. The side hustle game is getting a lot harder in 2026. And I've been around long enough to see all these opportunities, and the opportunity I'm seeing right now are these funded trading accounts, because your downside risk to all these funded trading accounts is totally calculated. It's limited, right? Like these 3 accounts I have here, if I manage to get a payout, as of right now, I haven't paid the evaluation fee, whether I want to go monthly or one-time fee. I don't know if they still do that, because I'm still fresh to the Apex platform. But whatever, if it's like a monthly fee, I'm paying $100 a month to potentially to withdraw any of my profits, anything above $52,600, right? And based on how I'm trading, I usually make bank around like $200 to $300 per trading session. And if I get to do the copy trader software where I trade 5 accounts at the same time, or maybe 20 accounts depending on the copy trader software I'm using, bro, I'm going to be risking $100 times that by whatever accounts I have to get maybe $1,000 to $3,000 payouts per account. Man, this is an insane opportunity, and I'm trying to get everyone I know involved, because I'm like, look, even if you're so bad at trading, like you have a terrible risk management, or you have a gambling mentality and all that stuff, because each account with the promo code, depending on if it's 80 to 90% off, it's $40 to find out if you are going to get a funded account. $40. So to anyone that's going to be watching this, maybe sometime in the future and everything, if it's still around, jump on the funded trading prop firm, funded prop firm trading opportunities, because this is not going to last long. I've seen people, I don't know if truthful it is, pulling out $100,000 in Stock Tiger's Discord chat. I cannot believe this guy pulled out 200 grand from his funded trading journey. And Stock Tiger is on track to pulling out 40 grand this month, and it's just, the year just started. Bro, I don't know, in my real estate portfolio, it is difficult for me to make $40,000 with a 70K investment. But for me to pull out 40 grand on a $1,000 investment, that's insane returns. So we're gonna see if I can get up to 20 accounts on Apex and see how much I can pull out of these accounts. Hopefully I can run these accounts until the end of the year. Oh, scalping, not for me, bro. I mostly take swings, and I like holding. Copy trading and Tradeovate, Ninja Trader. Yeah. So Crypto Knight, the Tradeovate platform itself, they do have a copy trader program. You'll see up here, it's active on my account. And when you have 20 accounts, you can group these. You can group the accounts into whatever you want to name it, right? I have 3 accounts for my phase 1, and then my phase 2. Oops. Oh no. Don't tell me I deleted it. Oh, I deleted it. Okay, hold on. I might as well do it now. So I'm gonna do phase 2, and then I'm gonna move these 2 accounts I want to actively trade. I'm gonna save it. All right. So now, if I go on phase 2. You'll see that 02 down here. So these 2 accounts, when I place a trade, it's going to copy the trade onto my 3rd account here. Now with the Tradeovate or the Apex platform, it's only, to my knowledge right now, you can only group 5 accounts at a time. You need to go on the Ninja Trader platform in order to get access to a paid copy trader program to be able to trade off of 20 accounts. Now, we know when it comes to these prop trading firms, in terms of service, how gray it can be. I don't want to do anything off platform that might ban me from the platform or hold up my payouts. So I'll just trade 5 accounts at a time if I want to. That's more than enough. I kind of like being able to trade at 1 account, hit my profit target for that account for the day. If I'm still itching to actually trade some more, I'll load up a 2nd account, keep going, and see how far it takes me. And if I blow 1 account, 2 accounts, that's fine. Because like I said, I'm trying to bring up to 20 accounts and just manage my profits. It's a different way of looking at things, or how I like to look at this opportunity, because I'm not trying to go for a swing trade on these big accounts. The only way actually, you know what? Hold on. The only way I'm going to look at a swing trade is if my $50,000 account, I'm sitting comfortably with 100K. I doubled it. That way, I don't have to worry about the prop firms tight stop loss where you can potentially get banned on that account, or they take away your account. That's what I'm going to be potentially looking at swing trades, because at that point I'm already having a comfortable position of withdrawing some profits every week, every month, whatever. So I'm just pretty much documenting my journey, that if my family or my kids wants to look what daddy's doing and everything, and they see that, like, you know what, money didn't grow on trees, it didn't come easy for us family here, they're gonna see as to how I managed to grow these accounts, and hopefully I can turn this into a career. So we're gonna find out, guys. So Crypto Night, if you are successful at trading all that stuff, keep it going. If you happen to see a good trade, please share the idea, because I need one good idea right now. Yeah, grouping them in batches 3 to 5 is a good. Yeah. I've seen some traders that they actually grouped it in, like, they're trading 20 accounts when it comes to the evaluation phase. So what is going on here? Hold on, let's just hear what Stock Tiger's doing. Like, he's doing something on gold.
Order canceled.
What are you doing, Stock Tiger? What are you
Order
doing?
submitted.
All right, so.
Oh, he's taking.
Okay, so there we are. Let's take a look and see what the NQ is doing. NQ looks like it's trying to pull back here, guys. I think it's kind of really important to hold this, but
hold what?
Looking weak so far. We could have that continuation of a pullback here today. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that.
What are you doing, Stock Tiger? Are you?
I'll leave it at this for now, right? I'm looking for that little bounce. I still think we could get a bounce in this market.
I can't see what
and
this
then maybe
guy's
that
doing.
kind of gives us a chance to kind of short the market again.
You want to
Nicholas is
short
very
the
expensive.
NASDAQ? Oh my God, Stock Tiger. Okay. Okay. So here's my logic. Okay. Let me pull up the trading view account here. Okay. So the NASDAQ had this crazy drop, right? All because of the whole Trump tariffs and everything, whatever the case may be, right? Yes, I am fearful that it can drop to 24,000. So another 1,000 points. It's disgusting. It can go there, right? We're trading at all-time highs, all right? But I just feel like they're just flushing out weak hands right now and just loading up, because Trump made it clear that oil is the play. He went into Venezuela to get some oil. He kind of messed over China, because China had a lot of investments into companies that own the oil, pretty much all of oil of Venezuela. But because of the whole overthrow of the government there, all those things doesn't have to be honored. So China took a massive dump on their economy there, especially on their stock market. So if Trump is pro-oil, and I'm holding some Halliburton like call options here on my positions. So Halliburton is the company that supplies any oil companies. If they want to start up like an oil rig and everything, you're kind of like renting equipment from them. Think of it as a company like United Rentals that rents out scissor lifts, boom lifts, any sort of like heavy machineries. That's what Halliburton is for the oil company, right? So I have some Halliburton call options that are going to expire in January, like 5 contracts. Myself and a couple of my buddies actually have Halliburton right now. We're up at least 100% on that. Not a big deal on options, but like we're kind of go for like the home runs, like the 1,000%. So we have that. I also have like Oxy. Let me see here. Oxy Petroleum. So I have, I actually own the stocks on those. That's what Warren Buffett held, I think it was like about a year and a half ago, until he sold out completely. So I have some Oxy there. I wouldn't be surprised if Warren Buffett decides to expose his firm back to the Oxy Petroleum again. But with all that being said, when someone's pro-oil, that translates into the economy, right? Because that helps fights and deals with the inflation or the pricing power, U.S. is the #1 producer and the #1 consumer of oil, believe it or not, right? If they just stopped consuming oil like they did, they would be the #1 producer above the OPEC members. Like, they are massive in terms of how much oil they consume. And it's not just oil for gasolines, it's the textile stuff. Like, anything that's plastic is made from oil. So I am looking for potential buys on the NASDAQ, but I'm not liking this daily chart. That's a strong bearish candle, but it has broken out of this channel here. And usually when it goes in out of these channels, it likes to bounce. So I have a feeling that it might pull back like at least 100 points to 200 points. But let's see what the Tradeovate platform is going to tell me what to do here. Yeah, it's leveling out. No, not a lot of volume, but look at gold. Buddy Stock Tiger, what are you doing here?
It did get filled. So we are getting a little pullback in the gold, right? Pullback in the gold.
Yeah, we see that.
You scared me.
Yeah,
you scared me. All right, so where am I?
I don't see Warren Buffett jumping back in the market anytime soon. Everything is overly inflated. Yeah, I know. But for like small timers like us, we can't really rotate our capital, right? We have to be fully vested in. Like, when I mean fully vested, I'm talking about like for the American investors, like VOO, you know, the S&P 500 ETFs. For me up here in Canada, it's like VFV. But if I already have like US dollars in the US stock market and I have to cash out, I'm just going to rotate it into the VOO ETFs. I don't like to sit on cash because, you know, cash is trash. But if you know how to, you know, park your money outside of the equities into something else like very quickly, then by all means do it. But Mr. Warren Buffett, even with ChatGPT, I can't really get insight as to what he's doing until 3 months later. So, and the Halliburton trade was actually from Michael Burry. When someone was sharing what Michael Burry was doing, everyone was so focused on the Palantir position that he was holding. But what stuck out in that portfolio, and it was so like minuscule, was the Halliburton. And I was like, why is this guy pro-oil when everything was crashing? And I saw that. I'm like, you know what? That actually makes sense. I'm actually going to take that Halliburton trade. Like, I took a lot of like trades from Michael Burry. Every time before the markets crashed, gold made all-time highs. Yeah. But in the lockdown, right? The lockdown session, when the market crashed 30%, gold went down with it because of all the margin calls. So right now, an article from Zero Hedge, like I read a while ago, I don't know, I didn't bookmark it. They were discussing the risk of all, like when the Chicago Mercantile Exchange decides to send a notice to all the brokers. That includes, you know, Interactive Brokers, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, all the brokers that are connected to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. They sent a margin change, like a margin requirement change. So let's just say gold, you're 20-to-1 leverage. Well, they changed it to 15-to-1 leverage. So anyone that's completely maxed out or just close to getting maxed out, now with the new change, they're margin called. And that's what everyone's fearful on the actual gold trading right now, that they can just send that out. Pre-crash. Yeah. But if you're holding physical gold, right, you're laughing because the physical gold right now is not even remotely close to the contract price. 28th of December, that happened. Really? Let me see here. Let's see here. 28th December. Was this 2025? Are we talking about like recent? Like that's when the gold just took off? Let me see here. 2025. Hold on. Okay, so this is the NASDAQ. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I got caught up in that nasty gold drop. Yeah. Yeah. I remember now. I saw gold drop $100, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take some buys on gold. And it dropped another $100. Yeah. You just reminded me of my dark day. That was a really dark day for me, bro. Oh my god. I just remembered. That was so bad. Did they actually do that reconfiguration, like the actual margin? Because like I think the silver, it's just gonna keep on running. Because I read an article that JP Morgan has a net position of like 750 million ounces of silver. So they are the number one profitable bank of shorting silver, JP Morgan. And then I read an article that they actually have 750 million ounces of silver in their vaults, and they're no longer banking on the shorts. Like they settled their price manipulation case that was held against them. I forgot what was the fine they paid. I think it was like it's like a drop in the bucket fine that they were paying, and they revealed their position that they have 750 million ounces of silver. So I don't know if silver's going to correct that crazy. I think everyone, even the coffee cashier, knows that silver is overpriced. And when you have that type of herd mentality that everyone thinks that silver's gonna crash, I think silver's gonna keep on going. But I wouldn't be buying silver like the actual spot price. I would actually be physically buying silver and just holding it. Whoa, Stock Tiger, what are you doing? Yeah, the 28th of December. It was a blip on the NASDAQ, but gold, yeah, that was... Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Yeah, I can't believe I held 100 pip loss and it wiped me out. That was a really dark day, man. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let's see here. Stock Tiger, what are you doing? I'm holding silver and gold ETFs. Now it's I don't remember, but someone was saying that the ETFs for gold and silver, it's not actually tracking the price of gold. So you tell me that when gold goes up 10%, the actual contracts, does it actually translate to the ETFs going up 10%? Because if I remembered correctly, when the ETFs, like the iShares or gold ETFs, when they came out, it was actually whatever gold price was, you just dropped to zero, and that was the price of the ETF. But now it's like it's not even priced. Like for example, like gold is at 4,764. Back then in 2008, 2009, the ETF, you just dropped the last digit. Really? Oh, okay, all right. As long as you're getting the same percentage gains with the actual contracts, then by all means continue holding it, man. I was on the Wall Street Bets like Reddit like thread, and everyone was making bank on the silver ETF like call options. Directly proportional? Okay, all right. I'm gonna have to revisit that. But do you have like, is it just 10% of your portfolio exposed to the gold and silver ETFs? Hold on. Let me see here. Let me see. Oh. Man, the NASDAQ's not moving anything. What is Stock Tiger seeing here? Here, let me play some Stock Tiger here, huh?
Might as well try to have some fun here, guys.
That's what we're trying to do, Stock Tiger. We're trying to have some fun here, huh?
Might as well try to have some fun. What do you guys say? What do you guys think? Guys, show some love.
I'm gonna show you some love.
Everybody.
Crypto night. more than that currently. But I'm flexible. I can cash out any day. Yeah. But Crypto Nightman, if you got a trading idea, don't be shy to actually spam the chat, okay? Spam the crap out of the chat so I can see it and jump on that trade, okay? Yeah, man. It looks like we're going to have to take it to 7 o'clock to see if the volatility kicks in. I just need like a strong pullback or strong like one directional move before I can take some like pullback trades here. I want to scalp this. Are you serious, Gold? Are you really going to take this higher? Yeah, you're really going to take this higher. All right, Stock Tiger, let's see what you're going here.
You know, I'm pretty good at scaling down to my position, right? Might as well do that with the coffee tea. Scale it down. Just slice it down, everybody. Oh, Justin, right, by the way, you are, do you copy trade or do you actually trade accounts individually? Do you, like, what do you do, bro? Tiger Pala Español. Me hablo español. No pasa nada.
Okay, he's not doing anything. Before the Asia Open. Yeah, you're hunting gold buys? Let me see here. Yeah, man. Yeah, you're really trading with the trend, but that crazy drop, that flashback day. Oh man. Like I had a 0.05 lot on gold, and that one position was like it was like $500 or $600 sitting on a loss. Yeah, it was roughly $100 a 0.0 lot. Well, I guess this calls for a little bit of a Kit Kat break, right? Since nothing's happening right now, we're gonna wait for the volume to kick in. I don't know if the 7 o'clock candle or the 7 o'clock volume is gonna do anything, but we're gonna find out and see. But shouldn't stop me from actually looking at something else. Maybe prepare for tomorrow's move. I want to see what happened to my stock portfolio here. Let's see here. Is the reason gold is pumping this wild? Yeah, I know. But like, how do you trade? How do you trade an asset that continues to break all-time highs? Like, what's the entry? You know what I mean? Like, you want a $50 entry, or is it based on a pattern of a previous resistance that broke? Because remember, you gave me some flashbacks, right? Like, if we go this one candle right here, this daily candle right here, where I got caught right here. See that? See that nasty ass candle? Right? People were thinking that this was a pullback, you know, 44.77, and then it got ripped, and the people thought that this might be a pullback, like this range right here. It continued dropping. I was like, oh man. How can you actually properly like size up your trade if you're trading on leverage here? Right? Like, I was here scaling in my positions. Like, you know what? $100 drop, it can't drop any more than that. Right? Well, why risk this entire run? Whoever's pumping it up, right? That was my logic in my head. But it kept going, and then it kept going for the next 2 days. But this. Right? This position right here. How the hell do you trade this? All right, let's pull up the 15-minute 15-minute candles here. Right? Even the 15-minute, the channel is still showing here. Like, if you want to follow this channel and it pumps. Yeah, I don't. I'll probably be scalping gold. Yeah, I'll probably be scalping gold. Oh my God. Nvidia dropped $8? Oh man. Did Bitcoin rip down 88,000 on Bitcoin? Hold on. Did my MSTR position like get chewed up here? Holy, $160? What? My MSTR like took a dump. Oh my God. Okay. 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 What did SoFi do anything here? I've been waiting SoFi to break below $25 so I can actually buy in some SoFi stocks here. Man, SoFi. Now another crazy like trade I'm looking at. It's just an idea. It's just like if you have like $500 to $1,000. That's how I'm thinking. I'll toss on it. Is Krispy Kreme donuts. Kind of want to see if that's a play there. Yeah, Krispy Kreme donut. They are expected to, their last quarterly earnings, they actually beat it. The next one's coming in February. If February the earnings comes out and they actually beat that, then I believe we might be in a full turnaround. If Krispy Kreme donut actually comes up here in Canada and actually builds a bigger foundation here, they're going to give McDonald's and Tim Hortons a run for their money because everyone's sick and tired of these two brands. Not McDonald's, but more so Tim Hortons. Like if they're going to support an American company, but that's posing to be Canadian, you might as well send in more Krispy Kreme donut like shops, put a Canadian flag saying that like even though we're American, but we support Canadians. Yeah, Halliburton took a dump. Oh man, Halliburton took a dump. Where's my NB? Oh yeah, my Neocorp. I think I'm safe with my Neocorp position. I got it at 5. It was like 557. Yeah, it was a while ago. I got it at 557 down here. So I should be okay on Neocorp. But Meta looks pretty okay. Like if Meta drops down to 550, I might actually buy a few shares there. And if Amazon, oh man, Amazon, you're on a tear. Like you haven't given me any hope to actually get in on Amazon. Yeah, the price I'm looking at is 175. I don't think it's ever gonna go there again. Yeah. If Amazon hits $175, I'm gonna be building like scaling my position on Amazon. Amazon's going after the Costco business, like the food business. So Apple's finished. Like I don't ever want to own Apple. AMD, yeah. If it comes down to $200, I might be interested in buying some. Yeah, let's go back to gold here. Oh no, is it breaking up? Yeah, it is. It's breaking up within 5 minutes. Let's see if I can take it on trade of it. Oh my god, it broke up. Okay, I'm taking some buys here.
Order filled.
Oh my god, new all-time highs, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's take the break here. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Or is this a sweep? I don't know. What is Stock Tiger doing?
Hey, play fair, okay? Play fair. Look at this pump in this gold, man.
Yeah,
you know this.
Yeah, he's not. I'm gonna take this scalp here. I'm gonna flatten the accounts very soon. Give me like $50 maybe. Oh,
Order filled.
We're out. We're out on gold. Woo! Woo! Wow, if I would have just, like Crypto Knight, if I just took your trade there, that you're looking for gold before Asia. I can't see the timestamp as when you said that in the chat, but based on roughly when you might have said that in the chat, that's probably around here, maybe. Yeah, that's a 120 pip move. I should have just bought it blindly the minute you mentioned it. Ah, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Now the question is, should I be selling gold here because of this crazy move before the Asian market? Wow, gold. You are going nuts. Is there news? Hold on here. No. Like there's nothing. What? You're a whole mother. You got in? Oh, Crypto Knight. I know we just met today, but you couldn't tell me you pulled the trigger on gold? Oh, come on, man. Ah. Oh. Oh, you lucky. You're lucky that you're not up here in Toronto, man. If you were up here in Toronto, I would force you to buy me a lunch. What do you mean you told me? What are you talking about? You told me. You said you're looking for positions. You didn't tell me you pulled the trigger. God damn. God damn. Well, good for you, man. Huh? Why did he... What? Why did Stock Tiger just close out of his Oh, there goes my guy. Okay. Okay, there we go. Next entry, but buddy, you have a way of like turning back the clock. Like you're sitting so pretty on this gold trade right now, man. Oh, look at that move! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, okay. NASDAQ's going. You know what? Let me take some sells on the NASDAQ.
Order filled. Order filled.
Is it retesting the lows? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
No pullback, please. No pullback. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see. Ooh. Ooh.
Order filled.
Got my 50 bucks. Oh, nice. What was that? Like, I think that was just 2 positions. Yeah. 2 positions on the NASDAQ, man. Took a while for the NASDAQ to translate that move on gold. Now, if the NASDAQ decides to come down to 25,000 even, I might be looking to take some buys. Or is Stock Tiger taking some buys now? I think he's taking some buys right now.
I'm definitely not a happy camper right now, of course, but I'm not happy. Stock Tiger, mucho angry, everybody, mucho. in a senora mucho angry.
Yeah, but what are you doing? What are you doing here?
And damn.
Oh, he's just reading through all the chats right now, Stock Tiger. I need him to start blurting out ideas because I need to jump in here. Oh. Now, Crypto Knight, are you actually like just swinging gold right now, or are you just actively day trading it? Because I know you said you're a swing trader, but like gold's at an all-time high. Are you planning to hold this to like 5,000? Oh, you're probably taking a break. Okay, just my buddy is taking a break. Oh no! I saw the buy orders in gold on Bookmap. Oh, you actually use Bookmap. Oh man, bro, you are a serious trader for you to be using Bookmap. Yeah, you're probably like a six-figure trader now, huh? Maybe even seven figures, bro. Crypto, like, you're making me feel really small right now, dropping those things, saying that you saw it on Bookmap. Oh, NASDAQ. Oh, whoa. Are we gonna break this previous low here? Oh wow, what is going on? Okay, let's take some buys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's average in here.
Order filled.
Just need $150 hopefully, but I'm not gonna get it on 3 contracts here. Oh. No, come on now, buddy. Yeah, see, this is... Okay.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new rock and a
3 positions. Let's just put it there in case. Bro, you're catching and falling nap. Of course, Crypto Knight. Of course.
Order filled.
I'm trying to pass the evaluation on these stupid accounts, right? Because right now, once I pass the evaluation, then I can start trading, which is like, you know, having a little bit of a game plan of where I'm going to be looking to hunt for buys and sells, where to place my stops. I'll be more comfortable that way. But the whole goal for me with these funded trading accounts is if I can get 1 or 2 payouts, the account's paid for itself. You know what I mean? Right? So the main account that I use is my MT5 account, and that's where I'm going to be, you know, placing those trades where it's like, oh yeah, all right, I'm going to be hunting for buys or sells in these areas and everything, looking at levels and all that stuff, no problem. But on these funded trading accounts, nah, man, I'm trying to milk this style of trading and see how far it can go. I'm not saying it's a the best longevity style of trading for these accounts. But the way I see it is that if it only cost me $40 to get these accounts, bro. Okay, I'm entering. I don't think I can play currency pairs on this platform. Can I? No, I can't. Not on this. Sorry, CryptoNet, you're on your own with the shorts, but thanks for sharing that. You know, actually, you know what? I'm gonna pull it on my MT5 account. Hold on here. Where are you? MT5. Let's see here. New Zealand USD. Chart window. Let's have a look. Why are you seeing shorts here? So 1 hour is bearish. Oh, you're thinking that it's going to correct all this move. So that's roughly like 300 pips. Yeah, 300 pips. 15 minutes. Nah, showing it's consolidating on 15 minute, 30 minute, still consolidating. But the 1 hour is showing that like it might reach and fill that wick. Okay. You know what? Okay. You good. You good. Oh, look at gold. It just went and then it found some type of high. And it's pulling back. Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody. New Zealand dollar. It's quite flat in terms of like the movement on New Zealand. But I guess more volume's gonna come in about 3 minutes from now. Yeah. Pretty small. Yeah, you see, like a crypto night, like I like how you think in terms of how you decide on your trades and everything, right? Yeah, I can tell like you're a serious trader, like you're a serious dangerous trader, so I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hear me that. All the crowds. It's my kid. I know my mic is picking up like a lot of background noise, so I apologize. Oh, wow, I just need $120. Yeah, USD CAD. Yeah, please let that come true, man. I'm sick and tired of these exchange rates with the USD CAD. I got nailed for these USD CADs. Oh my god. Like bring it back to like parity, please. You're adding to gold. Okay, you know what? Just to show my faith in you, I'll buy some.
Order filled.
I'm gonna average
Order
some
filled.
buys here, okay? If I get the $120 on this, man, bro, you better be coming back to every time I stream.
Order filled.
Hello, Dante. 1.3 lot. Did oh okay. I was like, did my software freeze? Hello. 47.77. Is that what it's saying? Let's see here. Gold. Yeah, there's still room for it to go up. Hold on, let me buy
Order
some,
filled.
averaging some more gold buys
Order
here.
filled.
Oh my god.
Order filled.
All right, let's average in gold. Come on, come on.
Order filled.
And the NASDAQ's pulling up here. I'm afraid that this gold pump here might have been short-lived. But 7 o'clock is here. Come on now. Where's that volume? I better not get like... Oh, no. Stop loss gone. Okay. Let me see if I can hold this pain. I'm only at like a 0.7 or 7 like 7 mini contracts here. Or micro contracts, sorry.
Order filled.
Come out. We're trying to average in here. Yeah, I know. You said the stop loss is around there, but my full position is not in there. I like to just average in and then just try to drag my average cost down and try and grab like $100. But don't worry, you're good. Your stop loss stopped you out in profits. You lucky bastard. Lucky guy. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Ooh.
Order filled.
Let's drag that average price down, please. Come on.
Order filled.
We're at one lot here. 10 contracts. Ooh. Okay, I might actually have to pull out now. Oh, no. No. I was testing one of my EMAs here. Okay.
Order filled.
That's good. Break even? That's great. You lucky son of a gun.
Order filled.
All right. I think I'm able to go up to like 3 full contracts. I'm like 1.2 full contracts right now. Yeah, these accounts, they let me up to trade up to 10 full contracts. Yeah, come on, gold. Come on. Just give me like $100. Give me $100, gold. Oh, come on, just give me $100. Like maybe here. You know what? Let's put some. Oh, we're close. Okay. I actually might have to manually flatten these. If it pulls up a little bit more, just a little bit more. I'll flatten it now.
Order filled.
Well, crypto night. I did end up profiting from your trade there. So thank you for that. If you're ever in Toronto, I owe you a coffee. I think I made like $120, so $61 per account, so $120 across the account. But yeah, I owe you a coffee, bro. Oh, I cannot believe I managed to pull a profit out of that. What are you doing, Stock Tiger? Let's see here.
Yeah, I don't see any entries as well myself. Hold on, guys. My apologies.
Bro, you made me $120 on this stream. I took exactly what you said. Okay, I didn't take the stop loss because I was still averaging in. But yeah, man. Like, don't worry. I appreciate it, right? Like, I actually thank you for actually being here, because usually when I'm streaming, I'm usually just talking to myself. But now that I have some feedback from you and, you know, some trading ideas and everything, it actually helps. Like, it actually makes the session a little more enjoyable. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if you trade alone a lot and everything, but I'm pretty sure you understand what I mean by trading alone. It's boring. It's stressful, actually. But is gold really gonna pull from here? I'm already out. Wow. This Stock Tiger guy, man, he has like a crap ton of accounts. Oh man. I only have 3. I'm just trying to bring 3 into the to pass. 4773. Oh, he wanted to pull back a little bit more. Like, when you mean like you're gonna re-enter, like you already put a pending buy there, so that you just set it and forget it, or you're gonna manually like enter in just to watch the candles. I'm just looking for a trade that gives me $100 right now, just to pass this evaluation phase. And then I got 3 accounts that I can start pulling from withdrawals from. Oh, and Kryptonite, like don't be like pressured to just chat up or type in the chat and everything, because I know you're managing trades. Don't feel obligated to respond to everything I'm asking you, right? We're just trying to have a good time here and just see if we can actually pull some money from today's session. And I managed to pull a little bit of money thanks to you. Yeah. Oh man, I love that dog candle there. Woo! Oh, what are you doing, Stock Tiger? What are you doing? Man, I wish Stock Tiger could bring me on his stream so I can talk to this guy. Oh, you're laughing.
All right.
I keep my stop losses very small, mostly 20 to 30 pips. That's very tight on gold. Like, I used to do that when gold was like trading around $1,800. But man, 20 to 30, that's a $2 $3 move on gold. That's very tight. But if you're scalping, I guess that whatever works for you, man. Damn, 20 to 30 pips. That's tight. Oh man, look at that. Look at that NASDAQ, man. I caught that stupid move and this thing rips. Yeah, I caught like 3-point move and this thing moves 40 points. Come on now, man. Bro, you don't scalp and you have that tight stop loss, man. You pretty much mastered the whole book map reading. That whole book map is like, it's a coloring book for me, man. There's way too much going on that damn book map. That gold is looking pretty nice to retest the all-time high again. But I don't like taking those type of trades. I kind of wanted to pull back a little bit. Should have held. Should have held. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. NASDAQ did a full retracement. And we're up 0.07% for the market. Still flat, I would call it. Stock Tiger, what are you doing? He has a pending buy. Oh no, he's in a buy right now. Bro, you got Stock Tiger in a gold buy with you, buddy.
Yeah, I have no idea what's going on, man.
Oh wow, I missed that. I missed that little gold buy idea of his. I don't think it's gonna hold because his stop loss is just right below the previous swing here. He has it at right around here, 47.73. Right here is where he has his stop loss. Right here. But he entered at 47789, which is right here. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it, bro. You still have your gold swings and everything. So you're laughing. This might test the all-time highs again. I don't know if I'm going to get my last 100. Okay, so here's my question, Kryptonite, about people that use Bookmap, right? Because I think it's heavily biased once you're in, but I think the average experienced trader like yourself probably doesn't need Bookmap because let's just say I'm like the market maker, right? The market maker has a mandate that they have to be buying and selling whatever instrument that they're creating a market for. So these are market makers, right? And they have billions of dollars or whatever the account size is, and they're just creating a market for the instrument that they're trading in. You'll see the pending orders that's on the Bookmap, but how can you really read Bookmap when they decide to push 100 contracts into the market by just clicking a button, right? Like how do you read that? Because I've been watching a few videos about Bookmap and how people use it, and it kind of doesn't really make the picture easier at the previous supply and demand zones. You know what I mean? So I haven't seen someone clearly showcase how they were trading like before versus how it's helping them trade now. Like kind of give like a side-by-side examples how Bookmap confirmed what they thought that they are seeing on the chart, if you know what I mean. News? No. Nothing crazy. What's it's just random movements. Okay.
grinding hard on it all day. We work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right. So I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah, one day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. If you ask, that's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating. Yeah. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable.
Yeah. So like for example, big book map, you'll see on the heat map where it shows like there's probably like 10 contracts at this resistance and another 10 contracts at support. As price moves to those areas, because you know the market makers are trying to move, you know, price to where they want it to go. But these pending orders, because you don't see the IDs of who's placing the pending orders and who's actually actively putting orders in to the market, how has it helped you seeing that, like, as it gets to a certain zone, it's supposed to be just 10 contracts, but then the market makers put in 12 contracts to blow past these prices, but it's happening in real time. How are you using Bookmap in that sense where it's like, okay, this is a fake out, okay, or this is a real breakout, you know what I mean? But I can see the value of like seeing Bookmap of like where the really strong heat map of like support and resistance, but more orders can flood into those zones, you know what I mean? Oh, am I getting the definitions wrong here? Hold on, let me pull this up. Hold on here. Bookmap. Book. Man. I'm guessing, are you using like the what's that feature? What's that feature on Bookmap? But you see that. You know what, Kryptonite? You should create a video about like, you know, Bookmap. Start promoting it. Get some affiliate money from it. Because like, there's not a lot of good people that are explaining how they utilize Bookmap to aid in their trading. Like, if you can actually showcase how you were trading before without Bookmap versus how you're trading with Bookmap now, like a clear explanation as to how it actually improved your trading, you're gonna get a lot more people clicking on your link, if you know what I mean. Looking at this, like the DOM, see all there, yeah. On profile.
She looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside. Oh, yeah, wanna stay up all night. Oh, yeah, wanna get it all right. Oh, yeah. Now she wanna skip the side. She got a fine ass body with her head on straight, and she look a little naughty.
Wow, is NASDAQ going to completely retrace that move? NASDAQ and gold's gonna push down. Yeah, okay.
She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show.
This is live Bookmap gold CODs. Okay. I'll probably like revisit the book map like closer to springtime. I'm gonna try and see if I can at least pull out like 15 G's from these funded trading accounts. Because I'm streaming, I have so many screens on right now, and I still don't have enough. Like, I'm watching this stream guy here, and then I have the OBS here, and then I have my trading view charts on my left screen here. And then I got my TradeOvate in the main thing, and I have to toggle between windows for my MT5 broker. If I start throwing in like a book map, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna need like a laptop just to show the book map. Just place it on my desk here. Mm-hmm. So let me ask you this, okay? You saw the gold. You had a stop loss right here, right? What indicated while the price was coming down against you? What indicated to you that like that was a valid stop loss for you, that you should take risk off the table? But then end up actually reversing, and you were correct. Like, how could you have used the book map to be like, nope, that I could have held a little bit longer? But you know what? I'm not doing you any justice here. I know it's going to be very difficult for you to explain via YouTube chat. This is something that you want to showcase, a conversation or the phone or something like that. I totally get it. Because if it's difficult for you to explain, don't stress it. I'm going to look into Bookmap. I try to scoop up as much videos as I can as to people explaining how they use Bookmap for their trading. Buying orders were there. The buyers got absorbed. Oh. But those little green bubbles and the red bubbles and everything, does it show that the green bubbles overtook this area right here and then it started turning upwards? Or it wasn't enough volume and it's like it could have gone anywhere? So the next set of buying orders were 670 pips lower. So like around here, where it previously like broke through. Oh. Okay. Legit, like Kryptonite, like I'm gonna be looking at Bookmap again and again. I'm not completely sold onto it in terms of like how I mentally take trades. You know what I mean? So, but I'll definitely look into it. I'll reach out to you if you have like a promo code and everything, or like a referral link. I'll use it just to sign up. 'Cause I think there's a referral link for you. What are you doing, Stock Tiger? Huh?
Any information on that? You have 10p accounts still, but I can't buy any more evals. Oh.
Oh, he's on NASDAQ buys.
You made too much.
Wow.
Yeah, guys, man.
This guy is in NASDAQ buys? I didn't even get to... So he's seeing the what I'm seeing. Like this whole entire move that happened on the NASDAQ here. This retracement or this full reversal is legit. That's what he's seeing right now. And based on the daily percentage, it's up 0.1%, so 25 points. Yeah, this might actually reverse. It might actually retest this intraday high here, and the candle might turn bullish. Hold on here. Hold on. Hold on. It's actually leveling out. Like, why? Why would it level out here? Like, was it testing this? No, I'm not really believing this. I think there's still more steam for it to come down. And the only reason I'm seeing that like the NASDAQ will continue to come down is because people are still building positions in the major tech plays, like, you know, NVIDIA, Apple, Amazon, Meta. Like, I don't think those prices are coming down low enough to build some positions. Oh, hold it. Stock Tiger, I can't believe you left me here. You bought some NASDAQs here. Yeah, his position's at 25,142. So we got it right here. No, it's even lower. 43. Yeah, no, it's right here. You got it right here. Huh. I could have aligned my buys from there as well, but I took 124, so I didn't jump on the next. It's all good, man. As long as like the book map like makes sense to you and it actually improved your trading and you're actually withdrawing from the markets, just whatever I'm saying and all that stuff, it's just take it as a grain of salt. Like it means nothing. But you really piqued my interest of potentially adding Bookmap, because I was considering using Bookmap. I just need like time with the tool. You know, it might be fast for me to chat here. I'll save it for later. Like, I don't know how the back office works for the Bookmap, but there should be a referral link. Wow, gold really did test that all-time high. Wow.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should have seen me from
yeah, bro, you are sitting crazy pretty with your gold buys here. I can't believe it tested that all-time high again.
Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical, but man, I got the chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So
I am just $100 away, guys. $100 away for past these evaluation accounts. I already got one that's passed. I just need two more. $100. Just need a $100 trade here. Oh, are we selling gold? Are we selling gold?
now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m. I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this,
Oh, I hesitated.
Intimidate monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, balling on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in, calling. I'll be something, yeah, I'ma get it now. You can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this. Yeah.
Oh my god. I really don't want to push a trade here, guys. Oh, is gold going to go for the push? Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come out. Give me like a $2 move. Give me.
Order filled.
Give me $2
Order
move.
filled.
Come on. Come on. Hopefully your book map is able to see that like there's a clear pathway.
That's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Ay, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I need it just to
Order filled.
Come on.
that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded. Just so I can sleep, thinking that it's hated. I feel hate,
Order filled.
hatred. I'm lost.
Come on, gold.
I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin, cause this life is no haven.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Order filled.
10.
All these thoughts keep me up at night. I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate.
So we got a lot trade there.
Order filled.
Okay.
I'm just trying to find the meaning of life. Hey,
I'll buy if we break high and sustain. Okay. Okay. It broke. Oh. Okay, that was a random spike there. You gonna keep on spiking, gold?
now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got a lot. Forget that though. You got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night.
Okay.
What am I doing? Did I do it right? All these thoughts keep me up at night.
Oh.
Order filled.
Fuck. You see this, guys? You see this? Oh my god. Oh. No. Oh. I should have like scratched my ankle or something just to delay my choice of closing out here. Oh. Oh no, I couldn't, buddy. It's okay. You see these accounts right here? You see these? You see that? You see that? You see how disgustingly close I am? $8 here, $10 here. Oh, come on. Come on.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something.
Well, this is all I can do. This is all I can do, guys.
When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt. You're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out. All of this cloud and this money got you feeling left out. Listen up to me now, every word that's out of my mouth. Wake up, it's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the sea? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed.
So for my the Apex account here, they're only allowing me like a $2,500 like kind of drawdown. So I'm just trying to pass the evaluation for all these 3 accounts, and then once I pass that and finally withdraw some profits, then I can pretty much trade carefree on these 3 accounts. Like the goal for me for these is just to have 20 accounts that passes the evaluation, and then just slowly, you know, take 1 or 2 like micro positions in any of the trades and just hold it to my trading idea. You know what I mean? But I haven't graduated mentally to get to that point. So if you're physically here and you're like pinching me to hold positions, then maybe I can hold these positions. But right now, you can't talk me into it. Like, I'm so ingrained into this habit right now. Like, I'm not coming on here as, you know, being like a professional or everything. I'm just showing what I'm doing to take advantage of the prop trading firm's opportunity right now, and I'm trying to see if I can get some money out of these prop firms. And plus, okay, I totally forgot. We're talking about gold here, where gold can just dump $50 out of nowhere. So I'm having like Vietnam flashbacks of holding gold buys. Whew. Whew. Through the pain you fight, and through the painful nights you keep striving, keep trying, keep driving, rising, keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself. Don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this hell. Take it one step at a time, one step as you climb. If you fail, you'll be fine. Keep back up to the grind and never lose sight of your mission. Be driven. Yeah, see, it pulled back to where I exited, but I had those pending take profits there. It would have hit it. So have a fixed stop loss. I know. I used to like, so for example, if my total trades is like 10 contracts, for example, I used to just go fully in like where I think would be the best like entry point, and then I set my stop loss, and 6 out of 10 times it would hit my stop loss. I'm planning on long on Bitcoin. Really? She says that she loves me. She just wants to fuck me. Bitcoin, because of how aggressive it's moving, it actually might be testing 84,000. Not too sure if Bookmap can actually show that because it's not a centralized yes, it's not a centralized asset. Well, Crypto Night, it was a pleasure, you know, talking with you on this stream. You actually did made my night, because streaming like this, just talking to a wall, just talking to the air, kind of got pretty old. If you're back here again tomorrow, then I'll probably see you back here, same time. I do have a makeshift Discord server. You can just click on the link in the description, and then I'll see you there. And hopefully we can continue trading together, man, because I don't mind bumping ideas from someone that's, especially if someone's using Bookmap. You're a serious trader, so I'm gonna be taking your opinions very seriously on live stream. But I gotta hop off here, and you know, I gotta spend some time with the family here. Yeah, crypto. Yeah, I know what you mean. But I do that on my MT5 broker account, where I let the plays play out, because I'm not worried about my funded trading account hitting too much of a drawdown, and it doesn't give me enough wiggle room for my next trade. I'm just trying to pass these evaluation accounts as quickly as I can. But yeah, so crypto, I know the stream's a little delayed and everything. Just find me on the Discord chat, so at least it will tell you when I'm streaming next. But yeah, if you're here again tomorrow, I'll definitely... Don't go now. There's a good setup build. Bro. If I don't go, my wife is going to kick my ass. Like, I'm already working during the day, and the minute I get home, I'm trading on the rest of like the New York session, and here I am just trying to take a little bit of a break to start the Asian session and everything. Like, I gotta spend a little bit of time with the family. You know what I mean? Oh man. Oh, but you're tempting me, man. You are tempting me. Yo, that NASDAQ just flew. Oh my God. Another 40 points. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me... Big ball trade. Okay, all right, hold on. Let me... Okay, hold on. Just 15 minutes? Okay. That's the 8 o'clock candle. Let me see. Because you're right, like the 8 o'clock candle is quite a crazy amount of volume. I'm usually trading on my mobile phone, sitting on the couch at the 8 o'clock candle. What are you doing, Stock
That's
Tiger?
kind of moving, making this NQ kind of move like this, guys. I mean, this is moving way better than NQ, the gold, right? And there's got to be something that's kind of making this NQ move. I mean, yes, it's only about 50 points, don't get me wrong, but it's nothing as pretty significant by any means, but still.
Oh, you already exited, okay. So the question is does the NASDAQ continue going from here? I don't know. But in order for me to take any gold trades, gold needs to pull back, please. I know I missed the bus, but at this point, we're at all-time highs. I cannot trust where gold is right now in terms of the price point. This is just such a crazy level where gold is at. Now headlines are coming out saying that gold is going to $5,000. Is that going to be during NFP? Is that going to be the end of this week? I don't know, man. But people have forgotten that what's happening right now is the Japan carryover trade. All the firms that are holding U.S. equities, but they used the yen loans and everything, or cheap debt from the yen, they still have to unload those positions on the U.S. equity market and bring back the U.S. dollars and start paying off their yen loans. And that was a big headline topic. When was it? I think it was November, October. And all of a sudden, Trump tariff talks, ICE agents, this, blah, 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 started filling the headlines. But people forgot that there's about like $3 trillion worth of assets that still needs to convert. So that's why I'm like, I don't really trust this, man. Get in. You sure? Okay, I'll take one position.
Order filled.
Okay. Like I need $12. Okay, let's see here. Stop loss. Okay. Maybe I'll put the stop loss here, okay? Okay. All right. Okay. Took a small position. I'm down $20 across the board. But I just need $12 so I can pass this evaluation, all right? $12. One little E mini contract here. E micro account, micro contract. Come on. Yeah, you see that on stream? See that little one right there? +1? That's me. That's where I got in. I have a TP at 4,800. It's like a $10 move, and then when it hits to like $20, I'll put like a stop loss, a trailing stop loss when it hits $12. Like, this is stupid as to what we're trading here. Like, it just keeps going. Like, you, Crypto Knight, like, because you have like the book map, you can actually see where the orders are, where it can potentially stop, or where it can potentially go. Like, you're lucky, but no TP. What? No TP. Oh man, yeah, you really want to retire on this trade. You're looking for like a 6-figure trade right here, huh? Bro, if you make 100 grand on this trade right now, okay, or sometime in a week from now, right? I expect you to get me coffees for 2 days, just 2 days, okay? Just coffee, just grab me an extra large black coffee for 2 days, okay? If you make 100 grand, all right? No, I'm gonna take another position here. Sellers are getting absorbed. Okay.
Order filled.
Because of that, I'm taking more buys, right?
Order filled.
3 positions. Let's go. Let's keep going. I'm gonna remember that, bro. You know what? I'm gonna take a screenshot of this where you say, "Sure, bro," and I'm going to save it on the Discord chat here. Put that there for my reference. I'm gonna want those coffees. Okay, 2 black coffees, please. But the 15-minute on the gold here, hold on. Does it just make it like the bottom wick? And we're oh, come on. Did gold freeze or something? Come on. What are you waiting for? Keep going. I saw that $20. I should have taken it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's take another
Order
position.
filled.
Another position.
Order filled.
All right. Come out. Come out. All right. I need $20. Yeah, for the contracts here. What is going on here? Ooh, not liking that.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Absorb those orders, book map. Absorb it. NASDAQ's pulling back a little bit. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Got it. Crypto Knight, I definitely owe you coffee. I got it. Don't worry, Crypto Knight. I got it. My accounts are locked in, right? You see that? 53,000, 53,000, 53,000. They're locked in, bro. I'm good. Now I have to wait for the accounts to pass the evaluation, and now I gotta change how I trade on all these accounts now. So I'm good. I gotta wait for this trading session or whatever to turn over so that they can move my accounts from the evaluation to now funded now. So I thank you, Crypto Knight. That was 2 trades that you gave me this session. Bro, oh my God, look where gold is, but it doesn't matter. So now I have to follow the payout rule where I got to trade consistently, proper risk to reward ratio and everything. We are good. Oh, damn. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. I am not going to forget this, Crypto Knight. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for the night. So I'm just going to chat you here, okay, Crypto? I'm heading out. Good night. Thank you for the 2 trades, bro. Yeah. Hey, bro. Now I wait for the
I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on.
That's right. That's right. I'm done. I am done. Because right now, any additional trades that I do right now past this point, I'm only risking the account from going from the probation or the evaluation phase to actually being canceled. So I'm just going to wait. Yeah, bro. I will see you tomorrow and anyone else that's here. All right, guys. Peace out. See you later, Crypto Knight. I'll see you tomorrow.